Hi, and welcome to the Keith Bryant Show, live from the show floor at Apex 2026. And I'm here with Todd from Austin American Technology, and we're going to talk about new machines, upgrades for machines, and all stuff cleaning. So, the easy first question, what's new at the show?
So for us, we actually ended up bringing our new Super T8 Typhoon machine. It's our chemistry cleaning module. It's been updated, a lot of updates actually in the past about 2 to 3 months. Yeah, that's what we're kind of showing off today.
Okay, and its advantage over the existing or your previous stuff?
It is advantage over the previous stuff. So last year we actually introduced the Super T8 at the show. Which was a dual wash system in the same footprint as our single wash system. So we were able to actually cram a whole lot more power into the same footprint, which has proved well over the past year. But since we've started building the Typhoon, instead of in Anaheim, California, we're actually now building it in Austin, Texas, and we've actually been able to make some other engineering updates to our actual spray bars, and then some other updates mechanically and electrically.
Okay, is that basically bringing manufacturing closer to R&D and everything else?
Absolutely, it was, yes.
Yeah, that's always a clever move.
Yeah, yes. It was a difficult process,
yeah.
But...
So, for the uninitiated amongst us, when you say dual wash, you mean like a dirty side and a clean side?
Not necessarily. It's actually, we're pulling actually from the same pump. From the same sump, but we've got 2 independent pumps, 2 independent sets of manifolds with sets of spray bars. And what that's doing is that's allowing us more contact time, more pressure at higher belt speeds.
Okay, so throughput is the same, but the quality is better.
Exactly, yes. Yep.
Okay, and you said you had some new spray bars and a few new other exciting things, so you can elaborate on those if you would.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, we were kind of challenged by some other companies while doing some reviews, and to really kind of go back to the drawing board and look at our spray bar technology to make sure we were able to deliver the maximum amount of force, fluid energy, all that kind of stuff. So we did kind of go back. Engineering took over at that point and was able to design really some new spray bars with some intermix technology that is now really impressive in what we can clean and how quickly we can clean it.
Okay. Intermix technology?
Yes. So basically types of spray bars, or spray technology. So we're still using some fan jets for flooding to kind of warm, wet, soften flux in the beginning, and then we're actually going into coherent jets from there on out. So a little bit tighter, smaller, straight stream was able to impart more impingement pressure on the board surface, and then we vary that pressure as it goes throughout the machine, kind of higher pressure, lower flow, and then lower pressure, higher flow. Basically, those different technologies are able to really kind of remove some flux underneath some very, very tight components and highly populated boards.
Okay, so basically it almost sounds like 3 or 4 machines in the same machine for what you need to do to get the end process right.
Absolutely, and it was, like I said, once again, we were challenged by some manufacturers that really needed that additional cleaning, but what we found since we've done it is that it's much more versatile down the line for really anybody, so it's kind of covering all cleaning needs all in one machine.
Okay, and obviously we're well into day 2 of the show, so what's the customer feedback been, or potential customer feedback?
It's been wonderful. We've been very, very busy this year. Been very happy with the show, and pretty much anybody that we've talked to that's interested in inline cleaning has been very impressed with the new machines that we brought this year.
Yeah, because inline cleaning has always been, I won't say the poor relation, but it's always been more challenging to get a good product out rather than offline cleaning where you've got a bit more time and everything else. So
yeah, no, 100%. We definitely see the higher volumes are generally, more apt to inline cleaning, but in order to try to focus on making sure that we get, like you said, a really viable, good, clean product out has always been a little bit difficult, but we think we're kind of on the right path.
Yeah, and more people now are looking for very clean boards for the IPC and clean before coding and all the rest of it. So you're hitting the right buttons, I guess.
Yeah, for sure. We're constantly tested through IC and SAR testing, so we're always striving to make sure we get the best numbers possible.
Okay, well, thank you very much for coming in and sharing with us, sir.
You bet.
And hope the rest of the show goes as well.
Well, thank you so much, Keith. I appreciate it.
And that's Keith Bryan for the Keith Bryan Show. Thank you for watching.
Ko Young is leading a smart revolution that will change the world of electronics manufacturing. Based on our pioneering True 3D measurement-based inspection technology, we revolutionize the solder paste inspection market to such great lengths that 1 in 2 SPIs sold today is from Ko Young. Building our SPI technology, we expanded to automated optical inspection, also known as AOI. Every year, we introduce new award-winning innovations and have proudly earned the respect from thousands of customers across diverse industries. Aside from our R&D center in Korea, we have research facilities focused on artificial intelligence and deep learning across the world to help us further develop proprietary AI technologies for your challenges. With our global network of sales and service centers, we aim to respond quickly to your needs and to deliver the highest level of customer satisfaction.